Good morning students. Welcome back to the science class. In our previous class we have discussed about the questions from our previous class, right? About 25 questions we have discussed. Today we are going to continue with the same thing, means from next lesson 25 question answers we are going to discuss. Hope you all are ready for the class. Question number 26. Strings of a guitar or membrane of tabla are examples of dash motion. Options are option A circular motion, option B periodic motion, option C rectilinear motion and option D none. Circular motion means object which moves in a circular path, whereas periodic motion means motion which repeats in a equal interval of time. Then rectilinear motion means motion which takes place in a straight line. Object if it moves in a straight line, that type of motion is called as rectilinear motion. Here strings of a guitar or membrane of tabla are examples of periodic motion. Option B periodic motion is the correct answer. Question number 27. Motion in a straight line is called as dash motion. Options are circular motion, option B periodic motion, option C rectilinear motion and option D none. As we discussed just now, rectilinear motion takes place in a straight line. So answer is option C rectilinear motion. Question number 28. SI unit of length is dash. Options are, we are discussing about the length. So options are kilometer, option B meter, option C second and option D minute. Second and minutes are related to time, right? So we have to think from option A and B. Answer is option B meter is the SI unit of length. Question number 29. Objects that give out light of their own are called as dash. And the options are option A opaque objects, option B luminous objects, option C transparent objects and option D non-luminous object. Opaque objects means objects which do not allow light to pass through them, whereas transparent objects are completely opposite to the opaque object which allow light to pass through them. So these two options are not a correct answer. Then option B luminous object which emit their own light. So answer is option B luminous object. Question number 30. An example of translucent object is dash. Options are pencil, option B sun, option C trace paper and option D A. See here, pencil, sun, air and trace paper are the options, right? Pencil and sun are the opaque object because they form shadow, whereas air is transparent. So the option C trace paper is an example of translucent object. Answer is option C trace paper. Question number 31. Light always travel in a dash. In a straight line, option B curved path, option C circular path, option D none. Light always travels in a straight line. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 32. A device that is used to break an electric circuit is called dash. Options are option A cell, option B switch, option C battery, option D none. Switch is the device which helps to break or to complete the circuit. So option B switch is the correct answer. Question number 33. An electric cell has dash terminals. Electric cell has dash terminals, and the options are option A 2 terminals, option B 3, option C 1, and option D 5. Already we know that electric cell has two terminals. One is positive and another one is negative. So option A 2 terminal is the correct answer. Question number 34. Which one of the following is a conductor? Already you know the meaning of conductor. Object are a material which allows electricity to pass through them are called as conductors. Right. Here the options are eraser, option B wooden block, option C candle, and option D metal key. Eraser, wooden block, candle are all bad conductors of electricity. They are called as insulator. So, option D, metal key is the correct option. Question number 35. Materials which do not allow electric current to pass through them are called as dash. And the options are option A, conductors, option B, insulators, option C, switch, option D, none. Which do not allow electric current. They are called as insulators. If they allow electric current to pass through them, they are the conductors, right? Switch is a device which breaks or completes the circuit. So, option B, insulator is the correct answer. Question number 36. Dash is the main source of water on the earth. And the options are well, option B rain, option C tap, option D pond. And answer is option B rain. Right? Rain is the main source of water on the earth. Question number 37. The process of changing of water into its vapor is called dash. And the options are option A condensation, option B sublimation, option C evaporation, and option D transpiration. Let us see the meaning of all these options. Condensation, it is the process in which water vapor changes into water. Means gaseous form of water converts into a liquid form of water. Whereas sublimation is the process in which on heating solid state is converted into directly into gaseous state. Okay. Then third one is evaporation. Evaporation is the process in which change of water takes place on heating into water vapor. Conversion of water into its vapor is called as evaporation. Then last option is transpiration. It is the process which takes place in plants. Extra water is sent out from the plants. Okay. So the answer for this question is evaporation. Option C, evaporation. The process of changing of water into its vapor is called as evaporation. Option C is the correct answer. Question number 38. The circulation of water between ocean and land is known as dash. Water cycle. Option B transpiration, option C precipitation, and option D none. Yes, answer is option A water cycle. The circulation of water between ocean and land is known as water cycle. Question number 39. Transpiration is the process of loss of water from dash. It is the loss of water from dash. Options are option A plants, option B ocean, option C well, option D none. And the answer is option A plants. Extra water, loss of water from the plant is called as transpiration. Option A plants is the correct answer. Question number 40. Major part of the air is constituted by dash. Option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, option D inert gases. Options are option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C is carbon dioxide, and option D is inert gases. Which is the major part constituted in the atmosphere means option A nitrogen, because 78 percentage of our atmosphere is filled with the nitrogen and 21 percentage of oxygen. Both together it makes up 99 percentage of the air. Then carbon dioxide inert gases together forms 1%. So the option A nitrogen is the correct answer. Major part of the air is constituted by nitrogen. Question number 41. Which of the following gas helps in burning and breathing? And the options are option A nitrogen, option B oxygen, option C carbon dioxide, and option D inert gases. As we all know that we breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide. And the same oxygen gas is needed for burning the things. So option B oxygen is correct answer. Question number 42. Air is present dash. Air is present in the atmosphere. Option B is soil. Option C is water. Option D everywhere. Air is present everywhere. Option D everywhere is the correct answer. Question number 43. Which one of the following will add to the garbage? Here some options are given. Which one you are going to throw it into garbage? And the options are option A chocolate wrapper. After eating the chocolate, what will you do? Chocolate wrapper, you are going to put it in the dustbin, right? Second one is empty tins of any soft drinks. Then option C is syringes, used one. Option D, all of these. After using these things, we are going to throw it into garbage. So, option D, all of these is the correct answer. Question number 44. Which organism can be used for making manure? Options are option A, earthworm, option B, houseflies, option C, snakes, and option D, none. Option A, earthworm is an organism which is used to convert kitchen waste, animal waste into manure. So, earthworm is called as farmer's friend, right? Option A, earthworm is the right answer. Question number 45. Garbage from cities is collected at dash. Option A, landfill areas. Option B, river sides. Option C, inside the ponds. And option D, none. Garbage from the cities is collected at the landfill areas. Later, it is converted into a park, right? So, option A, landfill areas is the correct answer. Question number 46. Which of the following can be recycled? Here we have given some options. Out of this, which one is recycled into its same form? Option A, waste paper. Option B, leather shoes. Option C, kitchen waste. Option D, animals waste. Waste paper can be recycled into a paper, right? So, option A, waste paper is the correct answer. Question number 47. The food components needed by our body are called dash. Ingredients, option B, nutrients, option C, fragments, and option D, none. Yes, nutrients is the correct answer. The food component needed by our body are called as nutrients. Question number 48. Which of the following food items contain carbohydrates? And the options are option A, rice, B, gram, option C, pulses, and option D, none. The answer is option A, rice is rich in carbohydrate. Okay. Question number 49. Carbohydrates can be tested by using dash. And the options are copper sulfate solution, option B iodine solution, option C caustic soda, and option D NaN. Iodine solution is used to test the carbohydrate. So option B iodine solution is the correct answer. Last but not the least, that is question number 50 is like this. The layer of air around the earth is known as dash. And the options are option A atmosphere, option B environment, option C ecosystem, and the last option is none. The layer of the air around the earth is known as atmosphere. So option A is the correct answer. Okay students, these are the questions which you need to prepare for bridge course exam. So once again go through with all these 50 questions by watching the videos. Hope you understood and recall the previous knowledge. Thank you. Bye bye. Take care.